If you want to integrate Mailchimp with Framer, this is the simplest and most reliable method to get your email sign-up form working on your website. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can embed your Mailchimp form into Framer quickly, cleanly, and without any confusion. This is a great setup if you want to collect leads, grow your newsletter, or add a contact form to your Framer site. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's start with the recommended method, which is embedding a Mailchimp form directly into Framer. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside Mailchimp, look at the left-hand menu and click on Forms. This is where Mailchimp keeps the tools for creating sign-up forms that can be embedded on your website. After that, create a form from a template. Mailchimp gives you a few different starting points, but the important thing is to choose one that matches the kind of form you want to place on your Framer site. For example, if you want a simple email sign-up form, choose a basic template that only asks for the information you actually need. Keeping the form simple usually helps improve conversions because visitors are more likely to complete it. Once your form is created, click on Settings. This is where you can review the form setup and make sure everything is configured correctly before embedding it. In the Settings area, find the option that says Get Code Snippet. This is the part we need because Mailchimp will generate the embed code that Framer can display inside your page. Now copy the code snippet carefully. Make sure you copy the full embed code, not just part of it, because missing even one line can cause the form to break or not display correctly. Once you have the code copied, switch over to your Framer project. Inside Framer, open the page where you want the Mailchimp form to appear. If you're building a landing page, this might be near the bottom of the page or inside a dedicated sign-up section. If you're using it as part of a homepage, you can place it anywhere that fits your layout and call to action. In Framer, click the plus button, then Janbo Tisanen, then choose Embed. This opens an embed block where you can paste custom code. Paste the Mailchimp embed code into that block. Framer will process the code and display the form inside your project. After pasting the code, you may need to resize the embed area depending on the form's dimensions. If the form looks too large, too small, or cut off at the bottom, adjust the block size until it fits neatly into your layout. This step is important because you want the form to look polished on both desktop and mobile. Once the form is positioned correctly, preview your page to make sure everything loads the way it should. Check that the fields are visible, the styling looks acceptable, and the sign-up form functions properly. If you notice anything off, go back and adjust the embed block size or the surrounding layout spacing. When everything looks good, click Publish in Framer. Publishing makes the form live on your website, so visitors can start subscribing through Mailchimp right away. At this point, your Framer site is officially connected to your Mailchimp form through the embed method. This method is recommended because it is fast, flexible, and works well for most creators and businesses. It also keeps your sign-up form managed directly in Mailchimp, which makes it easy to update later without rebuilding the entire section in Framer. If you ever want to change the form design or fields, you can usually do that inside Mailchimp and then refresh the embed in Framer, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate Mailchimp with Framer using an embedded form. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.